In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in your Weebly site. Whether you're streamlining your website or just removing outdated content, this process is straightforward and can be completed within a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to be in your Weebly site's editor. This is where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top of the page. You'll see various menu options available to help you navigate the editor, and among these, there's a tab labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is the area where you manage all the different pages that make up your website. Now, after clicking on Pages, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of all the pages currently on your site, whether it's your home page, about page, blog page, or any additional pages you've created. This list allows you to view and edit the structure of your website easily. Scroll through this list and find the page that you want to delete. It's essential to be certain about this, as deleting a page means all its content will no longer be visible on your site. Once you've identified the page you want to remove, you'll notice that when you click on it, some options for managing that page will appear. Among these options is the one we're focused on today, the option to delete the page. It'll be clearly marked, so hover over to that option. When you're ready, go ahead and click Delete. This action will remove the page from your website structure. It's as simple and direct as that. With that click, the page disappears from your site, giving your website the fresh, updated feel you're aiming for. And there you go. That's pretty much all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a page from your Weebly site. This simple process can help keep your content relevant and ensure your website remains focused and uncluttered. Remember, whenever you're making changes like this to your website, it's a good practice to preview and publish your changes to see how they look live. This reassures you that everything remains in good order and your site's visitors see only the content you want them to. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful for managing your Weebly site. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore other resources or reach out. Happy editing!